Your morning needs a little comfort. These pancakes will do the trick. Add 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And give it a good whisk. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and blend it until it's smooth. Next, we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir gently until just combined. Lumps are going to be okay. We're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Heat a skillet or a griddle over medium heat. Add a little butter. Pour 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on top, and then flip and cook until golden brown. This recipe comes from minikitchenmagic.com. They have it labeled as the Vanilla Cinnamon Buttermilk Pancakes. This is truly a fabulous recipe, and the pancakes have the perfect amount of cinnamon and vanilla, and fluffy too. My family loved this recipe, and we ate all of the pancakes. Let me know if you tried this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.